This recording is a discussion of the job costing spreadsheet from the level of an admin user. So let's say a project manager's boss, this would be the branch manager. Okay, when I look at this, I see the branch manager, or the project manager's individual name. So we've got Chris Lamica, Alan Brunson, JCD, that's me, Doug Partridge, and then perhaps any other project managers. I'd like to have a dashboard where I can see instantaneously previous year carried forward costs, this year's collected dollars, so revenue dollars collected, gross margin dollars, that's gross profit, and then this as a percentage of the collected amount, so 26 so divided by 61 and change. Gross margin, we have it set so that if it's below 45% or below, it turns red. Actually, I'm sorry, 45% or above, it's black. Below 45, it's red. And then all the months. Unassigned expense items go here. We have an actual tab that discusses unassigned expenses by project manager. Back to this page, let's just key in on one, and then of course we have totals, which is just a combination of the other ones from all the project managers combined. And then projects that have been started, so basically we have at least $1 of expenses on, but have not yet been collected in full and closed out. We'll go here, which also relates to an open job tab. Okay, again, sorted by project manager. And then from there, I believe it's alphabetical, full name. So back to this, on the main screen we have closed jobs only, and we close them internally from the office typically when we receive a final payment or when directed from the branch manager. And I believe right now we have to close them in QuickBooks. Not that that matters, but that's the trigger. We're interested in obviously some other triggers too if possible, but we'd want the office to be closing them, not project managers or salespeople. So from here we have these jobs specifically relate to closed jobs. So let's say A. Brunson, Alan Brunson's. These are sorted by month. So this would be January 2013. Last name, comma first name, project type, and usually this relates to how it was set up in QuickBooks. Like this would be a November 2012 door project, as oftentimes we'll do multiple siding projects one year after the next, and they'll be coded that way. We've got collections, so this is again what we collected in revenue, which is not always the same as the job amount. This job could have been even twice that, but this happens to be what they collected so far, or in total since it's closed. Expenses, these will sometimes go up after we get a vendor bill later on, but anyways, that's where it shows up. Gross margin is what's left. Gross margin as a percentage of collection. Okay, so that's how we go there. And then we've got crossover. Crossover relates to this number up here. Basically past years projects that were closed last year, let's say in 2012 when I'm saying this. Perhaps we got more vendor bills, more expenses came in 2013, and we're not going to go back to 2012 to post them. We want them to post here because we are paying these project managers based on these results. So these expenses will show up here, income will show up here, and that will be related to this particular tab in the spreadsheet. Again, sorted by project manager, the vendor, the date, perhaps a memo, and the dollar amount. So these are obviously very important to us. Now, from the level of a project manager, let's say for instance I was Chris Lamica. I wouldn't want him to see other project managers' detail. So really we'd want to sort this on a page like this where he'd pretty much only see this, and then his open jobs and percentages, his open jobs, his closed jobs, his crossover, and his unassigned expenses. So really just specific to Chris Lamica. Okay? And then obviously the same thing all the way down the line by project manager. But from a master level admin user, I would like to see all this on a dashboard, or at least in some way be able to get at this report quickly and have it be real time. That'd be ideal. Okay, thank you.